Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this really pretty cat eye nail look using nail tips from Novo Ovo. If you guys want to see how I did this, then please continue to watch. Okay, you guys, and the nail tips that I'm going to be using today are by Novo Ovo. This is going to be their almond shape. I believe this is a medium almond. And yeah, let me show you guys what those look like inside of here. Very similar to the square, they have a thin cuticle area and it's thick right along that free edge, so it makes the nail much more sturdy and stronger. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and apply these today. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with applying my dehydrator and primer. My nails are already pre-buffed, and then we'll go ahead and move right into application of the extensions. Now I'm going to go in with my Model 1's nail primer. Here I'm just going in with a nail dehydrator. You can use any one of your choice. And I'm just using that to chemically etch the inside of each extension before applying it. To apply my extensions today, I'm using my Creations Gel Soft Tip Extend Gel. And as you guys know, this is one of my absolute faves. I like to go in with a layer of that inside of the extensions that are already pre-etched. And then what I'll do is take a little extra off of the brush and scrape it at the very base of the nail. Now when applying the extension, you want to do so at a 45-degree angle near that cuticle area. And then allow that glue to flow forward down the natural nail. And you want to go ahead and flash cure that for 15 seconds. Now with this step, you don't need to apply a lot of pressure. The glue will naturally flow down as you start to lay the extension down, and just repeat that step on all of the nails. Okay, so now that we have all of the nails applied, I'm going to go ahead and cure them in my big lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm going in with a nail file. This is a 100 over 180 grit, and I'm just really cleaning up that shape and making sure that all of the nails look uniform and to my liking. Before going in with any of my other gel products, I like to go in with a small buffing block or just a buffer of your choice and remove the shine from the extensions completely. I do get asked why I do this step. So whenever applying gel polish onto a surface, if it's shiny, it can cause lifting and for your gel polish to peel. So what I like to do is just lightly remove that shine so that our nails are then prepped for the gel polish to adhere properly. Now I'm going to go in with the base coat, and of course I'm using my Model 1's base coat. If you guys know, I mostly reach for this one. It's just my go-to, no specific reason honestly. And I like to go in with a very thin layer of the base coat, and then we're going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. For the beautiful gel polish, the star of the show, I'm going in with this Twilight Blush Cat Eye Gel Polish by D&D. This stuff, oh my god, it's so pretty. I need every color. It's really hard to find these. I found them at a nail supply, and I've seen a few on Amazon, but if I can find this exact color, I will be sure to tag it below in the description box for you guys. Hopefully I can find this color. If not, I will try to find something similar to it. But yeah, these are so smooth. I love the amount of effect that it gives. And as you guys saw in the beginning, it's really pretty. I'm just going in with one of my magnets, and I'm just moving around the cat eye effect to my liking. It's not as visible from this angle, but you guys will see I'm kind of moving around so you can really see what it's doing. But I'll be sure to get a better angle in the future when showing the cat eye gel polishes. But you guys, it's so pretty. Just wait until you see the thumb. Once we have our cat eye effect to our liking, we're going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. This is what the nails are looking like, and we're going to go ahead and apply my top coat. I'm running really low on this top coat, but I truly enjoyed using this. This was my first time purchasing this top coat. Let me know in the description box of any top coats that you guys like and may want me to try, so I can give them a try as well. Once we've completely applied the top coat, I'm going to go ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, you guys, this is going to be the final look. I love the way that these nails have turned out. And the Novo Ovo tips, honestly, they look so good around the cuticle. I didn't have to go in with any drill bit or anything. You guys see that? It is nice and thin in that cuticle area as they advertise, so that's really good to know. I can't wait to try and play around with more of the different shapes and lengths. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Be sure to thumbs up this video and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. See you on the next one. Ciao.